Hello everybody, and welcome to my very first video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple batch file game using Notepad. If you use anything else, such as Atom or something like Visual Studios, that's perfectly fine, but today I'm going to be using Notepad. So, if you are on Mac or anything else, this is most likely not going to work on your computer. I'm only going to be doing Windows for now. So, first thing you're going to do is open up your program, create a blank file. After that, we're going to type in the very first parts of code, which is echo at echo off. So, just at echo off. Okay, then we're going to we're going to hit enter and type title. And then we're going to put a bracket, type in whatever your game title wants to be, and then this little end bracket. So color, I will put a key in the description on how to get color to work. For this, 0 is black and B is blue. Now, it's not first letter coordinated for the text coloring, but this is just a coincidence. So you're going to type in color, space, 0, B for a black background and blue text. Now we're going to hit enter and press if. We're going to type in if, space, double quote, percentage sign, 1, another double quote. We're going to press space again. Type in NEQ, neck. So NEQ. Then we're going to press space, and then we're going to put two double quotes right next to each other, just like bam, bam, like that. And then space, left parenthesis, go to, space, and there's no space in between go and to. It's one word. Go to, space, percentage sign, 1, in parenthesis. Okay, now that we got that basis down, we are now going to create our first bits of the game. As I said, this is a text-based game. I will be doing HTML, C++, C++, all those others in the future. I will put this onto one playlist that I will link in the description. You can watch it. It'll show all my videos so you don't have to go around finding them. So, now we've got that part done. We're going to press colon and then menu. This will create our main menu. You can name it anything you want. You can name it main menu. You can name it KFC for all you care. For all I care. So, just as long as you use that to return. This will create a page, and what we're going to do is we're going to type in CLS, which stands for clear log screen. That will pretty much eliminate any previous text put in. So this is where this little echo at echo off part comes in handy. We're going to type in echo, space, and then something along the lines of this is the main menu. Right? So at echo off pretty much keeps this text from repeating literally infinitely. I forgot to do this for the first few times I coded these games, and I got super confused why it wasn't working. So if you see this repeating like a whole lot without stopping, it's because you forgot to put at or one of these, some part of this right in here. So now that we have the general text done, also this echo part does not show up when actually reading the text. So what we're going to do now is another echo. What we're going to do is something similar to 1 start. This will pretty much direct the player to type in 1 to start the game, and then press enter. Echo 2, help, echo 3, credits, and then echo 4 dot for leave. Okay, now that we have that part done, we are going to do something called an input setting. What we're going to do is set slash p. Okay, this will pretty much allow the player to type in a amount of text that defines a variable, and you can name the variable whatever you want. You can name it answer. There is a way to do this globally where it stays the same forever. I will show you how to do that, but for now, clear log screen pretty much just clears it all so that the answer does not stay the same. Now what we're going to do is we're going to press equal sign, and this will allow the player to type in any sort of answer defining the variable. So now that part's done. You can also do colon to more directly show that they type in here. That's what I like to do. After you have that part done, you're going to type in if percentage answer percentage, or really whatever's in here. If it's like answer or any type of variable you want to use, just put it right in between those parentheses or in between the percentage signs. Now you're going to put 2 equal signs and then the number that correlates with it. So 1, you're going to type in 1, go to without any spaces, and then you're going to press space start. So this will take you to the little area marked start, similar to menu. You press enter again and just repeat the exact same thing, but 2, go to help, right? Similar thing again, but 3, go to credits, and then same thing, 4, go to leave. Now that we have that part done, we're going to enter pause. This will pretty much allow the viewer to view everything within here. Okay, and this little column. Now what we're going to do is we're going to press enter again, type colon, and before I continue, you might be wondering, what if they type in something like 5? Where will it take them? Well, it will immediately bypass the pause. When they hit enter, it'll go directly to pause, say click anything to continue, any key to continue, and then press any key to continue, and then take you to the very next part. Now we're going to type start. Pretty much means if they type in 1, it'll immediately take them to start. Now start clear log screen pretty much keeps from all this continuing into this. Press echo. This is the start screen. And then you can type something like difficulty levels. 1, 2, 3. Okay, like easy, medium, and then hard. It's pretty simple. Later on we will be able to do something where they can enter easy, medium, hard, 1, 2, 3, whatever you want to, and then it'll take them and define it from there on. But for now, we're just going to press pause, and it won't do anything. But after you press pause, type in pause, do go to menu. So this will pretty much means after they press any key, after they're done reading, they press any key, it'll take them directly to menu, this part up here. Yes, it does have to be menu. Okay, now we're going to type help, CLS. So none of this shows up. Echo. This is the help screen. You play the game by killing the zombies. Or whatever you want, right? Whatever your game's going to be about. And then pause, go to menu, right? Or you could just go to start if they're stuck on what it means and start. A whole lot of variations, do what you will. And then credits, CLS, so none of this shows up. Echo, like dev, power, that's me. And then pause, go to menu. So, pretty simple. And again, all they're going to see is you can get kind of creative how you want it to look. But all they see is this little everything to the side of echo. So this, and this stacked on top of each other. Go to menu. Then you thing about leaving the game is a little more complex. So something like hope you liked the game. Something like that, right? And you type in pause and then type in exit. And exit alone should exit out of the command, but out of the program. But sometimes that doesn't work, so I like to put /B. That force quits the game and means that there's no chance of them continuing to be in the game. So that's the basics on how to do this. We have 5 different, if you include the menu, pages, if commands. Most everything goes off of this. I will show you later how to use spaces because I know a lot of people are probably going to try to build on this and try to do like words like I'm good, and then it'll crash or it'll close because of this space. I'll show you later in another video how to get that to work. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful.